Chakula na vinywaji. Chakula means food. Vinywaji means drinks. Fruits are matunda. Vegetables are mboga. In Kiswahili, mango is embe. Egg is mayai. Lemon is ndimu. Chicken is kuku. Cucumber is matango. Carrot is karoti. Watermelon is tikitiki maji. Banana is ndizi. And water is maji. Basic objects in Kiswahili. Cup is kikombe. Bowl is bakuli. Plate is sahani. Knife is kisu. Fork is uma. Spoon is kijiko. Book is kitabu. Pen is kalamu. Pencil is penseli. And paper is karatasi.
Thank you for watching!